Here are some amazing facts about the European robin. Distinctive appearance. European robins are easily recognized by their bright orange-red breast and face, with gray-brown upper parts and a white belly. Size. They are relatively small birds, measuring about 12.5 to 14 centimeters in length. Weight. An adult robin typically weighs around 16 to 22 grams. Lifespan. In the wild, robins usually live up to 2 years, though some can live longer, with the oldest recorded being over 13 years old. Habitat. They are common in a variety of habitats including gardens, woodlands, and hedgerows. Territorial behavior. Robins are highly territorial and will aggressively defend their territory from other robins. Singing. Male robins sing to attract a mate and to declare their territory, and they can sing almost all year round. Song variation. The robin's song changes slightly between the breeding season and the winter season. Diet. They are omnivores, feeding on insects, worms, seeds, fruits, and berries. Feeding habits. Robins often follow larger animals or gardeners, hoping to catch insects and worms disturbed by their activity. Migration. Some populations of robins are migratory, especially those in colder regions, while others are resident all year round. Nesting. Robins build their nests close to the ground, often in logs, ivy, or among roots. Eggs. A typical clutch contains 4 to 6 eggs, which are whitish with reddish-brown speckles. Incubation. Female robins incubate the eggs for about 13 to 14 days. Fledging. The chicks fledge about 12 to 14 days after hatching. Breeding season. Their breeding season typically runs from March to June. Second brood. Robins often have 2 broods per year, sometimes 3 if conditions are favorable. Juvenile appearance. Young robins lack the red breast and have a spotted brown plumage. Scientific name. The European robin's scientific name is Erythacus rubcula. Symbol of Christmas. In the UK, robins are associated with Christmas and often depicted on Christmas cards. Friendly nature. They are known for their curiosity and often approach humans more closely than many other wild birds. Conservation status. Robins are currently classified as least concern by the IUCN. Population. The European robin is one of the most common birds in Europe, with an estimated population of 130 million to 200 million individuals. Cultural significance. The robin is the national bird of the UK. Song learning. Robins learn their song from their fathers and neighboring males. Coloration. The red breast is used as a signal in aggressive interactions. Vision. Robins have excellent vision and can see in low light conditions. Foraging technique. They use a technique called pouncing, where they watch for movement and then hop forward to catch prey. Predators. Common predators include cats, birds of prey, and snakes. Winter behavior. In winter, robins often switch from territorial behavior to more communal feeding. Adaptability. Robins can adapt to a wide range of environments, including urban areas. Territory size. A robin's territory is usually about half an acre in size. Nesting materials. They use leaves, moss, and feathers to build their nests. Mating call. During the breeding season, males sing a special song to attract females. Altruistic behavior. Robins have been observed feeding other bird species chicks in rare instances. Robins and weather. Folklore suggests that seeing a robin is a sign of impending good weather. Garden helpers. They help gardeners by eating pests like aphids and beetles. Migration distance. Migratory robins can travel up to 1,000 miles to reach their wintering grounds. Diurnal birds. They are primarily active during the day. Roosting. Robins roost alone in dense vegetation. Communication. Besides singing, Robins use body language like wing flicking to communicate. Scientific studies. Robins have been the subject of many scientific studies on bird song and behavior. Urban adaptation. They have adapted well to urban environments, often nesting in man-made structures. Sexual dimorphism. Males and females look similar, but females are often slightly duller in color. Winter singing. Unlike many birds, robins sing throughout the winter to defend their territory. Molting. Robins molt once a year after the breeding season. Recognition. They can recognize their own reflection and might attack it thinking it's an intruder. DNA studies. Genetic studies have shown that robins across Europe are quite similar genetically. Vocal mimicry. Robins can mimic the calls of other birds. Feather maintenance. They spend a lot of time preening to keep their feathers in good condition. Bathing. Robins enjoy bathing and can often be seen splashing in bird baths. Courtship. Male robins perform courtship displays involving song and flight. Longevity studies. Studies have shown that urban robins often live shorter lives than their rural counterparts due to higher predation risks. Nest sites. They have been known to nest in unusual sites like booths, kettles, and even coat pockets. Human interaction. Robins can become quite tame around humans and may take food from the hand. Cultural icon. Robins have appeared in literature, music, and art for centuries.